हाथरस की घटना के विरोध में पहाड़ के विभिन्न बोर्ड ने अपनी आवाज बुलंद की है। आज सिलीगुड़ी जर्नलिस्ट क्लब में एक पत्रकार सम्मेलन में दार्जिलिंग और कर्सियंग के संस्कृति और विकास बोर्ड की ओर से रेणु नीरा बोमजन ने कहा कि हाथरस में हुई घटना निंदनीय है। महिलाओं के अपमान के खिलाफ आवाज उठाते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि इस घटना की उचित जांच होनी चाहिए और दोषियों को कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए। इस घटना के खिलाफ पहाड़ में आंदोलन शुरू किया गया है। उन्होंने आगे कहा कि भारत में जहां नारी को माता के रूप में पूजा जाता है, उसी देश में नारी के ऊपर हो रहे ऐसे अत्याचारों को स्वीकार नहीं किया जाएगा।
इंडिया और हिंदुस्तान इज नोन एज भारत माता, मदर इंडिया. So we have such, from time immemorial, we have such a deep respect for mothers, to ladies, our daughters. But today, it really pains me to say that a daughter of Bharat Mata has been very badly assaulted, raped, and in the process she was killed. Unfortunately, she died, and this is very unfortunate. This kind of atrocity should not, I repeat, should not happen in India. I think it is our duty, all the boards, you, press, every single person in India must vehemently, very strongly condemn such atrocity, such things for our ladies, for our daughters. This is very sad.
Today we are here to basically protest against the Hathras tragedy that occurred. We as women in the board, we have felt very badly about what has happened. After speaking to several of our chairmen, we have now decided to take on bigger steps for that. Hence we have this press conference today. So number one, we shall be starting by actually having programs in the districts of Kalimpong, Darjeeling, and Kalimpong and Darjeeling, especially Kurseong, Meerut, Kalimpong will be having several of these kind of programs in the future. It is very sad that today in India, as a woman who comes from the Sechul tribe, the Tamangs, we are several, the boards here have got different people from different tribes, from the other backward classes, and from the Sechul caste as well. So today in India, जिसको हम भारत माता कहते हैं, हर time में mother is related, mother language, mother tongue, everything is there. But it's very sad कि जिस तरह से यहाँ की लड़कियों और हमारे बहनों के ऊपर हो रहा है, we totally do not agree with this. To the home ministries, to the directives like the enforcement directives, which are the CBI, I'm sure things are already in place, but we still request for all the governments to come together, because this is a question about a woman's honor. You know, in the Indian culture, we have had several times where women have been totally abandoned